Hey guys, I'm BadMark, and in this video I will tell you about regions in Minecraft, what they are and what you can do with them. So a Minecraft world consists of chunks. A chunk is 16 by 16 blocks, and a region consists of 32 by 32 chunks. And a Minecraft world is basically a collection of regions. So in this case, I have some mountains that I want to export into a new world. So what do I have to do? I have to open the console and I have to look for the coordinates. I'm going to divide the X and Z coordinates by 512. And if the value I get is negative, I'm going to round it up. And if the value I get is positive, I'm going to round it down. This is very important. So for example, if we have 459, we divide it by 512, we get 0.89. If it's negative, we round it up to 1. If it's positive, we round it down to 0, even though 89 is much closer to 100. And then we need to go to our Minecraft saves folder and go into the region folder of our world. And here we are going to find the numbers. So we had the numbers -6 and 2. And here it is. This is the region that we want to export. So we're just going to copy it. And we're going to create a new void world so we can paste it in there. The process of creating a new void world is very simple. You can see it on screen right now. You don't have to create a new world if you want to replace one of the regions with a region from another world. You can find a region in the destination world that you don't like, that you want to import a new region into, and delete it and paste in the new region instead. So in this case, since it's a void world, we're going to delete all of the new regions in this world since they're empty anyway, and we can paste in our new region. So these numbers are the location of the region. We had -6 and 2, and I'm going to replace it with 0, 0 because it's a void world and I want my mountains to appear at the spawn point at the start of the world basically. So here we are, and we can already see familiar sites. These are the same mountains that were in our first world, and the difference is this is a completely different world that I imported a region into. So again, you can use this to replace regions in your existing worlds. Let's say you find a spot for your new region in your old world, and let's say you get the numbers 2 and 3. So you're going to go into your world folder and delete the region 2 and 3 and paste in a new region that you want, and rename it to 2 and 3, like I've shown you before. And that about sums it up. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.